Would you like to learn what happened, this terrible tragedy, to the sister who was about ready to give her kidney to help save her brother's life? Come join me. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. This is widely reported in papers here in New York, but here's the gist of what occurred. As the sister was getting prepared to have the kidney removed, something happened during the course of surgery that cut the aorta. The aorta happens to be the largest blood vessel in the body, and if it's not repaired and recognized immediately, that person would bleed to death in moments. That's how big and massive this particular blood supply is. And that's exactly what happened here. The aorta was cut during the course of removing the kidney, and before they had a chance to even remove the kidney, the patient died on the table. The unfortunate reality is not only did the sister die, but never had the opportunity to get the kidney out in time so that the brother could then still use that kidney. And that was a tragedy. Now, the key question is, from a legal standpoint, is the fact that they cut the aorta a departure from good and accepted medical practice? According to the news reports, Montefiore Medical Center never had a single fatality from any of their transplant donors. In order to determine whether or not there's wrongdoing, we have to look to see whether this is a known risk that can occur during the course of this transplant surgery. Now, my understanding from reading the news reports and from looking at some of the medical textbooks is that when you're taking out a kidney, there are local adjacent organs and tissues and arteries nearby where this occurred. And it is quite possible that during the course of trying to remove the kidney, and inadvertently, the aorta was cut. If it's not recognized in a timely fashion, what will happen is you're going to get a bloodbath. There's going to be a massive outpouring of blood, and unless it's caught, recognized, and fixed immediately, the patient will bleed to death. The news reports indicate that that's exactly what happened. So, is there liability here? Is there wrongdoing that occurred? The answer is, we can't know for 100% sure. Why? Because I'm only giving you this information based upon what's reported in the news. There's a lot of information there that we don't have, that we're not privy to. So why do I share this information with you? Because chances are you have questions and concerns about your particular matter. And if you do and your matter happened here in the state of New York, then what I encourage you to do, pick up the phone and call me. I answer legal questions like yours every single day. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at lawmed10@yahoo.com. I'm Gerry Oginski here in New York. Thanks for watching.